In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Safe Search filter in Google Chrome so you can help block explicit results in Google Search. This is a quick and simple setting that's useful for parents, shared computers, schools, or anyone who wants a cleaner search experience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Google Search homepage. From here, look for the settings option. Depending on your screen size, it may appear in the bottom right corner or sometimes in the top right area of the page. Click on Settings, then choose Search Settings from the menu. This will open the main Google Search Preferences page. Now scroll or look through the settings until you find Safe Search. Safe Search is the feature that helps filter explicit images, videos, and web results from Google Search. Click on Safe Search to open its options, and then select the filter option or turn Safe Search on if that is what appears on your screen. Once enabled, Google will now try to filter explicit content from your search results. After that, you can simply go back to Google Search and continue browsing with the filter active. If you want to double check that it worked, perform a search and compare the results to make sure Safe Search is turned on. Keep in mind that some settings may be controlled by a Google account or device restrictions, so if you don't see the option changing, you may need to sign in or check parental controls, and that's it. You've now turned on Safe Search in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.